I think the best thing that you guys could do is to concentrate on doing a really quality video or whatever you're doing for YouTube. Hi, I'm Howard from Cyber Times LLC, YouTube Creators Forum. Today I'm going to talk about crossover between platforms. And I don't think there's much crossover between platforms. You have a YouTube account, you have a Facebook account, you have a Twitter account, Instagram, and after 2 years of experimenting, I don't see much crossover from Twitter to YouTube or from Instagram to YouTube or from Facebook, maybe a very, very tiny percentage. I have 1,800 subscribers on Twitter, and I don't see very much crossover to YouTube. I have about 15,000 subscribers or followers on my various Facebook accounts, and I don't see very much crossover. I think it's a good idea to use those platforms to when you put up a video, to put up links on Facebook and on Twitter to send people to your videos, and that will get views, but I'm not sure if you're going to get subscribers from those platforms. I think the best thing that you guys could do is to concentrate on doing a really quality video or whatever you're doing for YouTube and help promoting that and tweaking it with keywords and your title and your descriptions and things like that. And then when you're finished tweaking it, and also put up really great thumbnails, and then go to Facebook and Twitter and put up your links. But in the 2 years that I've been using these different platforms, I haven't seen very much crossover, just a few. So do you think, I think I have 15,000 followers on my Facebook accounts. Do you think I'd have 15,000 followers on my YouTube channel? But I don't, so that's my conclusion. I'm Howard from YouTube's Creators Forum. If you like my channel and my forum, please subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere over here on the right side of the screen.